Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and on today's subscription box Saturday, I have for you the Heroes Tower Mystery Box. So you guys know this is one of my favorite subscriptions. It's a Geeky subscription box that I got on Cratejoy. Now, they were sold out on Cratejoy. I'm not sure if they still are or not. I will link that Cratejoy link in the description box below. But you can email them directly if you would like a box if they are sold out on Cratejoy. So I'll also leave the Heroes Tower email address in the description box below. So without further ado, let's see what they sent this month. Okay, guys. So here's my box. Can't wait to see what's inside here. I just love the subscription, guys. Alrighty, dighty. So on the very top here, they have this. This is my Patreon gift. I do support them financially on Patreon. It's just a very minimal support, but I just wanted to try to give them a little bit more support to help them build their business. So let's go ahead and open up the little card here and see what they said. Says thank you on the front here. Ooh, can you see that? All right. And then it says, Amber, thank you again for another month of Patreon support. Keep up the good work with the YouTube videos. I enjoy watching the DIYs and unboxing. Awesome. Thank you, Chad. I appreciate that. With that said, maybe you can find a good use for this Patreon gift. Display your geek. Chad, the Heroes Tower. Well, I sure hope that I can. Let's see what you sent to me. And I'm going to do the sticker one, the sticker challenge that you sent me last month, Chad. I am going to start working on that. I think next week. I just have a lot of different projects going on, but I definitely want to get that one worked in because a lot of my YouTube friends are getting stickers and things, and I want to show them some great ideas of what they can do with those. So that sticker challenge is still on, and I am definitely going to do that very soon. All right, let's open this up. Woo! Okay. Ooh, it is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles dry erase board. Yeah! And then I think on the back, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, that's like maybe you could write on the back of it as well. So here's the back. And here's the front. Pretty awesome. Of course, I will put this in my geeky area. Why not? Maybe I'll remind myself to do stuff that I've needed to do for like a long time. We'll see how it goes. Okay, thank you, Chad. Appreciate that. There's the Patreon gift. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this box. All right, so here's their flyer. It's right on here. And like I just told you guys, they are on Patreon, and you can also support them on Instagram. So they were Cratejoy's best new box of 2020. Well, hello. Congratulations for that. That is an awesome accomplishment. So right here it says how to order. You can email them at theheroestower@hotmail.com for purchasing options, or you can subscribe on Cratejoy. But like I said, if they're sold out on Cratejoy, make sure that you email him because he can still get you a box. You just have to email him. You just won't be able to go through the Cratejoy link, but I will link all of that in the description box below. Awesome. So they will have an item list coming soon, but he did include one right here for me. I don't want to peek yet because I want to be surprised. And let's see if I can figure it all out. You know, we'll see how it goes. So here's what it looks like on the inside, guys. And let's pop this puppy open and see what I got. Oh, that's funny. Okay. He has that just in case he forgot on here. So funny. Okay, so here it is, bubble wrapped. Yay! All right, let's open this up. I think I'm going to go ahead and snip the sides here with my scissors. I think that might be easier for me to get into this little package. All right. Okay. We got it now. Here we go. Woo! This looks fun. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. So we have another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. This one is Michelangelo. Like I showed you guys last month, I got Donatello, which is pretty awesome. So like if I get the whole collection, that'll look really cool. If I have like all four of them in my little geeky section. So this month I got Michelangelo. Here's the back of it. So super cute. This is a hand painted item. They do include 3 handcrafted items in all of their boxes. So here's one. Awesome. I would love if the whole box was handcrafted. That would be so awesome. Okay, and then oh, stop it. That is so funny. And now we have a Scooby-Doo lanyard. Yay! Look at that, guys. Scooby-Doo is so fun. I don't know how many of you remember Scooby-Doo, but that was definitely the cartoon when I was growing up. So awesome. Absolutely love it. Let's move on to some awesome little buttons here. So we have Spider-Man and Leonardo. So here's the Spider-Man button, just so you guys can get a little zoom in of that one. And then here is the Leonardo button. Boom. Wait. Okay, no glare. I don't think there's glare. At least I hope there's not. I will find out when I'm editing this. But I do have an idea for these little buttons too. I know I keep telling you guys that, but honestly, I'm just trying to build some up so that I can make something really cool with a whole bunch of them. So I'm just like waiting to get like, you know, a certain plethora of buttons before I start working on some projects with those, but I will have some ideas for those very soon. And, oh, this is cute. Oh, look at him. Ah, a little Spider-Man keychain. Check that out. That is so cute. Oh, guys, that is adorable. I absolutely love that. That is so funny. Let me show you the back. Here's the back of him. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Ah, I love it. That is adorable. Okay, so let's zoom on into, oh, we have a Captain America postcard. Oh, that is so fun. Look at that. Bam! Yes. Love it, love it, love it. That is super cute. So it's got some stuff on the back here. It just has some things about Captain America and stuff. So I'll definitely send this one out. I think it's very cool. I'm going to frame some of them because some of them are so cool that I can't send them out. But I probably will send this one out to somebody. I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll see how it goes. All right, let's pop open what's in this little baggie. They packaged this up so nice, guys. Oh, yes! Yes! Okay, so I need more magnets. And I love Optimus Prime. Bam! Transformers, Optimus Prime magnet. Yes! Everybody should have one of these in their house. I'm just saying. This is a handcrafted item. So here's my second handcrafted item. Actually, I think it's my third because the lanyard is also a handcrafted item. So here's my third handcrafted item in this box. Awesome! Okay, and then we have an awesome Captain America. How cute. This one is cute. Little magnet. Okay, there we go. I think you guys can see it that way, so that works really good. And it's so awesome, guys, because I need more magnets. Like, I know that sounds funny because I get a lot of magnets in these subscriptions, but like, I don't know where all the magnets went in my fridge. I think they were all Christmas themed, and I put them all away, and I was like, gosh, where'd all my magnets go? So awesome that I got some more. And this is a little card. Oh, so cute. This is another handcrafted item. And yeah, it looks purple. So it's Donatello. Awesome. And it says, yes! This is so cute. So it's just a blank card, guys, and it has an envelope with it so I can send somebody a little note. And with me sending all these packages out and stuff all the time to my YouTube buddies, this will be super fun to have. I just have to think of which one would appreciate it as much as I do. I don't know yet. We'll have to see. Because not everybody loves this subscription as much as I do. But here's a stamp for my postcard. And he actually included a second stamp because he thought he might have forgot it. So I got 2 stamps. Thanks, Chad. Bonus. Awesome. So let's dig into the comic books. Oh, yes. We have Transformers. Yeah. Okay, guys, I am going to start cutting these comic books up. Like, I was trying to keep them, and I was thinking that I was just going to keep them the way that they are. But honestly, I have ideas for days for these, so I'm going to start cutting them up. I hope all of the geeky people out there understand, but I'm going to make some really cool stuff with them if that makes a difference. I'm just saying. Okay, and then I got a super cool Spider-Man one. Yay! Love it! Okay, guys, I have so many ideas for these comic books, and it's going to be coming up, I promise, soon as I can get to it. And then I got this super awesome Avengers little tote bag. Yes! Look at that, guys. That is so cute to put all my little geeky stuff in. Well, you guys saw it. I just dropped it, and I don't want to pause the video, but you guys saw it. It's the same on both sides. So that is it, guys. That is my box for this month. Again, this is one that I get on Cratejoy. I will link it in the description box below, but they were sold out. So if they're sold out, make sure that you email them. I will leave the email address in the description box below as well. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! I have for you my Heroes Tower mystery box. So you guys know this is one of my favorites. Yeah. Sorry.